Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make homemade Korean rice cake. I think it originated from 떡 means rice cake. 가래 means divided. You know, when you see rice cake, it's all divided in little cylinder shape, long shape, or ball shape, or however shape you want it to be, but it's all divided. Ingredients that go in there are super simple, only 3. So, of course, rice flour, and a little bit of sesame oil, and salt, water. That is all. I already have my water boiling right next to me. I chose moshiko. We need about 2 cups. And ideally, it's gonna be the entire box. And then we're gonna use 3/4 cup. Make sure it's a boiling water. So wrap it, but give a little bit of space so it can breathe. And I'm gonna microwave it for 2 minutes. Whoa, bring it out. Just keep mixing it in. What I'm gonna do is from here, this is the fun part. Drizzle a little bit of sesame oil, say about a tablespoon or so. Put that in. What I'm gonna do is grab my little thing and you're gonna start pounding it. So you're gonna keep, the harder you do this, the chewier it's gonna get. Nothing is sticking. And from here, now, there you go. Look at this. It's gonna look like pasta, you know? Just a little sesame oil. And then the edge as well. This is it, you guys. I made rice cake from scratch. So, perfection. I think it's definitely a lot more delicious than store-bought, but store-bought saves you a lot more time. Yeah, I think it's cheaper at the end of the day, so that's the economy of scale, right? So this is it. If we're not connected on Instagram, I'm at Yuna Cooks. Every week I upload a new video. So it will mean so much to me if you give me a thumbs up and a subscribe button. I'll see you next week.